Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easy for making infographic in Canva. So just simple, you can open your Canva apps and then you can search for infographic template on search bar. Okay. But you can also make it without templates, but it takes more time, I think. So there are many templates here. You can choose template that you like. For example, okay, just change the text and then just change the images, just change the elements. You can edit as you like according to your content. It's very simple. Yes, that is video how to easy for make infographic in Canva. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.